guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's me Ahmed again. So today I'm gonna prank Ibrahim and Abdullahi. I'm gonna pit them, so let's go.
Bitch, get out the way. Oh, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Oh no, the fight's out. I'm about to punch your lights out. Get the fuck back, guard the grill. It's some
Guys, I'm now going. So let's go. Hello guys. Hello guys. No way. والله ده هاي سؤال اوكي سؤال هاي والله ده والله بس that's enough that's the prank. sorry